I get to talk to a lot of business lawyers, a lot. We have clients who are business lawyers. Most are between 2 and 10 attorneys. Incredibly intelligent people, like super smart. Usually come to us with the same problem. How do we get more business? How do we get more clients? How do we get more cases? And the answer is always the same. Be where and when your prospective clients are looking for you, and give them what they want so they would give you what you want. So let's dive into this. What does it mean to be when and where your prospective clients are looking for you? The truth of the matter is that for corporate attorneys, I would guesstimate that about 40, 50, 60% of the business, new business, should be coming to you by referral. Train your existing client base to refer you to other business owners. Birds of feather always flock together. I find that most attorneys are terrible at getting referrals systematically. But you know who can teach you how to do it consistently is my good friend, Stacy Brown Randall. I will link up her information down below, or you can just look her up, Stacy Brown Randall. She has an amazing system for generating referrals for attorneys. You should practice business development with her methodology consistently every month, if not every week, and your business will grow because you're intentional about getting the business. But what is a guy who does digital marketing doing promoting business development? That's really not a done for you marketing. Whereas what we do is done for you marketing. Where this is the other side of your business generating strategy. You should never rely on just one source of business, which most attorneys do. Most attorneys are waiting for those referrals to happen, which keeps you maybe not poor, but not quite as profitable as you can be. So the other side of the equation is digital marketing. Think about it this way. A few years ago, I think 2019, Clio published a report that indicated that something like 78% of all people, when they needed an attorney, they would turn to Google. I think the same numbers are true for small business owners. When we need an attorney, we're probably going to turn to Google. Yes, we'll ask around, but we will also ask for an attorney. I think the data for that was 62% of all people will ask for a referral and also do an independent search online. So the power is in the numbers. You need to be great at online marketing. But the truth of the matter is, I've never met a lawyer or a law firm that was great at digital marketing. Most of you need to find out not the how to do it, but who is going to execute the digital marketing strategy for you and help you get all the clients that you need to achieve your revenue objectives. Now, let's talk about where do clients look specifically, and more importantly, how do you make sure that they find you and become your clients? Well, most people, business owners, consumers, etc., when we need a lawyer, we're going to turn to Google. Chances are we are going to click on some ads in Google. We're going to click on the local map pack in Google. It's the 3 to 4 listings that you see next to a map. Usually very local attorneys are going to show up when you're performing that search. We're going to click on organic search results, those links that you see below the map pack. And we're also going to look for some directories. The truth of the matter is that if you want to grow substantially, get a lot more business, your marketing plan should incorporate being in all 4 locations on Google page 1. Correct. You want to advertise. You want to be seen up top in the ad space, whether it's a local service ad where you see a little picture of you and the ratings that you get and the number of reviews that you got and the link to your profile on Google, whether you want to be seen in a regular pay-per-click ad, whether you want to be seen in the local map pack. By the way, you can now advertise in the local map packs, so you do not need to be in the immediate vicinity when that prospective client is looking for a business litigation attorney or just business attorney, corporate attorney. There are myriads of keywords people use to look up the same thing. Next, you want to be seen. Obviously, you want your website to pop up in the top 5 organic search results, if that's possible. By the way, good news. Most metro areas, major metro areas, are not that competitive for business attorneys. If you are in PI space, estate planning space, criminal defense, things get super competitive. For business attorneys, it's just not the case. So yes, you can, with some time, energy, and money, rank well in organic search results. And obviously, you have to have a great marketing team that executes on it for you. And lastly, but definitely not least, you want to have sponsored listings in directories like Super Lawyers and Ava. If if you have presence in the ads, in the local map pack, in the organic search results, and in the directories, what is the probability that a prospective customer, client, is going to find you? It's incredibly high. If you're nowhere to be found on that page one in the top 10 results, what is the probability that you will be getting their business? Slim. Very, very slim. That's why it's super important to show up everywhere. But you may say, but Sasha, this is going to cost a ton of money. That's a wrong way to look at it. You're a business attorney. Think about it from a business standpoint. Your client acquisition cost should be anywhere between 10 to 25% of the revenue that they're going to generate for you. It's not an expense, it's an investment, especially when you have a great marketing team working for you. This is super important. Great marketing teams, by the way, do not cost little money. Great marketing teams know what they're worth, and they have to put in a ton of labor, energy, time into making sure that your business succeeds in digital marketing. That's why you should do both. Business development, very long term, and you do it yourself, and digital marketing. It's done for you, but requires considerable investment. You may say, but I don't have the money. The truth of the matter is that if you don't have the money, if you don't invest into your business, who will? Nobody. If you don't have the money today, you're probably not going to have the money tomorrow. That's why it's really important that you cover the whole gamut, all of those spaces, business development and digital marketing. If you do not have a great marketing plan, if you do not have a plan that your marketing team can follow, if you do not have a plan that makes sense to you, that you know how you're going to get business, reach out to us. Like seriously, we will build you that plan absolutely free of charge, and you will use it or not use it as you please. You can hire my team. If we're a match, you can hire another team and use it with give them that plan, whatever you want to do. But you should definitely have a plan, because as Warren Buffett rightfully put it, an idiot with a plan will outsmart a really smart person without a plan. Get a plan.